Hello pupils, welcome to this video section of the basic mathematics series. This is video 10 of the series, and we'll be quickly talking about Bodmas. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, click on that subscribe button there and tap on that notification bell so that when we post the next video, you'll be notified. Okay, now we want to quickly discuss Bodmas. What is Bodmas? It's an abbreviation of 6 words, starting with B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for what? Subtraction. What it means is that this is the sequence we use in solving fractions. Okay, it means that bracket is stronger than off is stronger than division is stronger than multiplication is stronger than addition, and addition is stronger than what? Subtraction. It means that anywhere you see, for example, the combination of subtraction and addition, you do addition first because addition comes first in Bodmas, followed by subtraction. If you see combination of multiplication, addition, and subtraction, you do multiplication first before you do addition and before you do subtraction. Now, if you see off means off means times. Something like if I say 3 of 5. 3 of 5 means 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay, so let's quickly now look at some examples. And this one is bracket. Bracket means if you see anything that is inside the bracket, do it first before you do anything you want to do. Let me give you one example. Now let's solve this. Number 1. Let's solve 3 over 4 times 5 over 2 divided by 1 over 4 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2, then plus 3 over 4. Let's just solve this. Are we following? Now, I have multiplication, I have division, I have addition, and I have subtraction. I also have bracket. By right, the first thing you should do is what is inside the bracket, because bracket comes first. So we're going to solve this one first. Are you following? Let's solve that one first. So we're going to solve 1 over 4 minus 1 whole number 1 over 2. So let's convert this to an improper fraction. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. So we have 1 over 4 minus 3 over 2. Are you following? Like I taught you in the previous video, use LCM to do subtraction. So we have the LCM is of 4 and 2 is 4. Then 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Are we together? We have 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So it's going to give us 1 minus 6 is minus 5 over 1 minus 6 is minus 5 over 4. So let me keep it like this first. Then that means I have solved this one now. Okay, so if we now do that, our answer will now be 3 over 4 times 5 over 2 divided by minus 5 over 4 plus 3 over 4. So I have reduced these two now to this single number. Then what next are we going to do? We have multiplication, we have division, we have addition. Don't mind this minus sign. This minus sign belongs to 5. It's not subtraction. Now, which one am I doing first? Division comes before multiplication, and multiplication comes before addition. So I'm doing division first. So I'm going to copy out this one and solve it. So I'm going to have 5 over 2 divided by. Let's even do it on the question itself. It's not by force that you solve it like this. Let's finish it on the question. So I'm going to do division next. So I will put it in a bracket, showing that I want to solve it first. So I'm now going to have 3 over 4 times 5 over 2. I taught you how to divide. How do you divide? Change it to times and swap this and this. So you now have minus 4 over 5. Leave the minus there. It doesn't mean anything. Plus 3 over 4. So I told you how to multiply. In multiplication, you cancel out. 5 cancel 5 and it goes away. 2 here 1, 2 here minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. And then we have 3 over 4 times minus 2 over 1 plus 3 over 4. Which one do we do next here? We're going to do multiplication, right? Because before addition. So I will do this one. So anyone you are doing, circle it. How do you multiply? Let me do it like this. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 over 4. Okay? You can reduce it to lowest 10. Now, anytime you have a fraction, make sure you reduce it to lowest 10. 2 here is 3. 2 here is 2. So let me bring the answer up now. So we have equal to minus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 4. Are you following now? So the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, what is minus 6 plus 3? Anyway, in our video of directed numbers, we explain this one. Meanwhile, minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So the answer is minus 3 over 4. And that's the answer. So what this video is trying to explain to you now is that if you want to have a combination of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, every other thing, you use Bodmas to do what? Solve it. Is it clear? You use Bodmas to solve it. All right. So that's it for this video. I believe you have understood how to use Bodmas. But let me quickly run one other example. Let us do 1 whole number 1 over 2 times 3 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 5 divided by 13 over 5 minus 1 over 4. Let's quickly solve this one. Which one do we do first here? Multiplication, division, or subtraction? Let's do division first. So we circle this one. Let's work this one first. We now have, let's change everything to improper now. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 over 2. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 over 4. This one is 13 over 5. This one is 1 over 4. So we have 13 over 5 times, I told you that division changes to times. We now have 5 over 13 minus 1 over 4. So when you are multiplying, you cancel out. 13 cancels 13, it goes away. 5 cancels 5, it goes away. So you have 1, 1, 1. So the answer to the question will now be 3 over 2 times 1 times 1 over 1. Let me just say 1 over 1. Then minus 1 over 4. Which one do we do next? Multiplication before subtraction, right? So do this. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 over 4. And that gives us LCM. For subtraction, we use LCM. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5 over 4. You now change it to a mixed fraction. So 4 in 5 is 1. 1 remainder 1. And that's the answer to the question. Okay? So that's how to do Bodmas. And then that's the end of the video. So thank you for coming around. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button there, so that when we post the next video, you will be notified. In the next video, we'll be looking at decimals conversion, decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal, and what have you. So I will see you then. Thank you very much.